Hello, everyone. Mr. Stu here, and hope that you are doing well. Hope that you're staying safe, happy, healthy, and always chill. But for those of you working on the research project, I wanted to reach out and just talk to you about the rubric that we're grading you on. Now, don't worry. You are doing an assortment of different tasks and projects and different types. I just want to go over in general what I want to see and what we expect. Okay, so number one up here, this is what's been shared with you on Google Classroom today, but regardless of what topic you chose to investigate, okay, all projects are worth 20 points, and you have to complete this based on what creative choice you want to follow. And here, right now, are some guidelines depending on what you're doing. So if you're using a PowerPoint, a minimum of 5 slides. Really answer those questions and draw them out. Okay, if you're making a movie of some sort or video, a max of 5 minutes. Really, a 2-minute or 3-minute video, that's a long time. But max video of 5 minutes, okay? And then a podcast, if you're just making like a cool talk show or like a video or audio recording, that's also going to be 5 minutes max. And if you have just been chosen to like write different topics, or you just want to type, your written work needs to be in complete sentences, still be creative, and still be in a really good looking format. Okay, and if for some of those questions you're choosing to draw something, do me a favor, do your drawing, and when you post it, upload a picture or anything you can, label your work or add a separate commentary for me, so we know what you're talking about. Okay, so here's what you're graded on. So here is, if answering these, you'll get 1 point if you did this, 2 points, 3 points, and 4 points. Okay, I just want to go over. So if you just are answering questions 1 through 5, all right, you only get 1 point if you haven't really answered them or if they're not complete. And then for full 4 points, you've answered 1 through 5, and then have been completed with all required parts. Okay, and so for each project, there's questions 1 through 5. Answer each one to the best of your ability so that we know you're answering them. Number them or comment in your video which question that you're answering. Okay, your research quality, folks. This is a research project. You have access to 2 different databases and the internet at your fingertips. Okay, if you do little to no trusted research, if you haven't documented what sources you're using, you're only gonna be getting 1 point. Okay, but if you use 4 or more sources and have been used and cited in the project, that's a full points. Okay. Then between over here 2 and 3 points, if the research isn't accurate, or if you're only using a couple sources, you'll get 2 points, and same goes for 3 points as well. So aim high, do the best that you can. Okay, now content accuracy, what that means basically is that what you're talking about is accurate to the sources that we're giving you. Okay, and when you're answering these questions, they are full, complete answers and on track for what the question's answering. Okay, so to get a 4, all questions are answered with accurate and appropriate content. So you're answering the question using complete sentences. Your content is correct. You're bringing in your different resources, and you're on track with whatever that question's asking. Okay, and creativity, folks. You've been chipping away at this project the best you can, and we got about 5 days until this is due on the 20th. Okay, but what we're looking for is that you're answering these questions in unique ways that are personal to you, that are in depth in your own style. Whether you did a movie or video or newscast, written work, illustration, it has to be specific to what you're doing and what you like to work on. Okay. However, if you're just giving me a Word document with incomplete sentences, no name, no illustrations, it just looked like you did it 2 minutes ago, we can tell. All right. So really, find some unique perspectives you can bring in with your project, and really, if this is personal to you, do your best to engage in that idea. Okay, so this is the rubric. We're posting this video up during our office hours. Okay, and do us a favor, reach out with any questions, and as we get closer, this is due the 20th of April, in one nice complete package, whatever you want to present that in, that's fine. Okay, so thank you for your project. Thank you for your work. You guys are doing a great job, whatever it is that you're doing. Keep it up. Ask questions. Relax, and hope to see you soon. All right. Have a great day. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you later.